Medic rule is you're hit, you're dead, so once everybody's dead, we're just going to restart the next round anyway. We're going to be playing a lot today, so you don't have to, oh, it was just my elbow, I'm fine, I'm still alive. No, you're dead. Don't be an asshole. You guys hear don't be an asshole. What else do we got, Kitty? You guys, here's the diagram.
Yeah, okay, I walked out, I saw them standing right there. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go grab my, where's my red rag? I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna die if I walk out here like this. I'll wait for them all to move before I go grab my sniper rifle. What, Coop's dad? That's a nice sea of red right there. Moving up for the sniper rifle.
Get in there! You have to be in there to set it! Okay? That's why I had the bomb.
Drop your red rag left there.
Good. Okay, save it for the next game.
Oh.
You did good. You did good.
Yeah, you did.
You almost got him, yeah.
Yeah, I know, but you shot me first.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's stone. I should have given them that,
Are they bad guys?
Nah, they're good guys.
Because they
Win this for Mother Russia.
When Kitty says we can.
Kitty, what if I get back to life in hope?
Tell me to get it in there.
What do you need?
You have to go back to life.
No, come back to life. Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, be careful. Go save him. Go save him.
Here. Oh, here. No, come on, this way.
Guys, we're realizing like 90 of them.
Oh, shoot it from over there. Look. No, look. Over there.
Come on, can you cover me?
Yeah, come on.
No. Ricochets do not count.
I think he's dry fire.
Thank you.
Yep. They work for 10 hours, so really
Oh, awesome. I was going to say, you going to grab the bomb and help?
I came around. I can completely see my legs. Like, cool. Like, shot.
You guys are going to walk into crossfire. Thank you. My hand's cold.
Gotta wait, Owen.
I really need to get some bad guys. Please, go, I haven't got it.
One more second. We're almost ready.
Got one.
Put this on you there, buddy.
Let's see it done.
Why are you calling
Who, he did?
Yeah, that guy.
Oh, really? I thought this guy.
Can I get back in now?
Almost. Give me a second.
Terrorist win! Holy shit! We had a guy within 3 feet of the thing. It's beeping.
He was playing. Huh? He was playing. Pistols only. Yeah, but he had a revolver.
3, 2, 1. Go, go, go!
No! He dropped the bomb! The bomb canceled through. Oh, that sucks.
I broke the pro.
Oh, God damn it! Calm down. Oh, I got shot in the butt.
I got shot in the nipple. That hurt. Did they set the bomb?
Ow. No.
No?
Oh, I got shot right in the nip.
You ready?
Wall, Chris.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
You guys ready?
Ready.
Go, go, go!
I'm gonna bayonet someone. Where are my BBs? Did you really play it? Did you hit start? It has to be touching. You see movement there. Got one.
I know, I hate you.
Which one?
Contacts left. 2. Center objective.
You made secret bug for him, stupid!
Bomb detonated.
It's not even touching.
Oh, damn it. Oh my God.
You couldn't hit me in the wallet, you got it right next to the wallet.
The bomb went off, guys. Yeah.
It's not touching.
Why? The bomb went off. It's over, right? Where are we going?
No, you still have one left.
It's not touching the wall, so I think it is.
I don't know, mine says V2 on it, so I guess it does say V2 on it.
Thank you.
So mine's different.
Yeah, maybe you have the newer gun then.
I know ammo.
I'm so happy.
Drop the stupid
I
thing
know
again.
learn how to shoot you.
You already got hit. That's great. Austin, pick this shit up.
Where is it? Where is it?
A lot of ammo coming.
Shotgun.
Oh God, right in the face.
I got hit in like the knee.
You okay?
I didn't want to hit you like where it hurt.
Oh yeah.
So I'm like, I'm
Bam,
too
right in
close
the
to
toe.
this.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
How many shots are left in that?
Ow!
Owen, over here! Owen!
I got ricochet in my ear.
Nice.
Oh, that fucking hurt.
Pop up and shoot him, Owen. Pop up and shoot him.
There's no gas.
Put it down.
Oh, hit.
Pop up and shoot him, Owen.
Felt bad.
I don't want to shoot your kid!
He wants to shoot you!
Oh, you got him.
I don't want to shoot kids!
Why? He wants to shoot you.
I got one shot a kid.
It's covered in plastic.
Owen.
Oh dear God. Is that a shoe inside that? What's in that one? The one where Underwear Kid is hiding behind. Is there somebody?
There's a person in there.
There is a person. Okay, because I'm like, I see shoes.
Gotta make a move!
Is that what's the key?
Action beats reaction!
Clear the field, guys. Walk it. Clear it.
Shoot him. He's reloading.
Revolver versus revolver. Wesker, get in there.
Put it close, zero!
And he gave himself up after he started shooting. Good shooting, Tex.
It's good, Owen.
He's already dead. That's it.
Oh, he's trying. Believe me, he's trying to hit it.
Wesker went. Hell, I thought he was around the right side of the ball. He was right behind you. Oh, I see. He's doing his thing.
I'll be right back down. I'm going out there.
Mine have friendlies in it. Where are you aiming?
I'm going out there.
Towards our
Do you want a better gun?
It's okay.
It's okay? All right.
I'm just going.
Anybody want to give him covering fire? Remember, they're on your right. That side. Good guys are on this side. Good guys are on this side. Don't shoot them. Are you guys going to send him on his own?
We were talking about strapping the bomb to him. I totally semi-auto sniped the dude in that position. I'm good, yeah! I got 2 and go!
I don't know.
Guys, come on! Let's go already!
I'm big and slow though.
You might want to find cover, hon.
That's why I'm getting the tires.
I'm right behind here.
You can see them before you fire, hon.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Just make sure you can.
Gas. I smell my gas.
Stay with the friend! Roger, I got him! Move right to the pipeline. We got guys on bridge.
Mom, you can use my daddy's gun.
Yeah, you're gonna use your bad.
I
You wanna
know.
use my backup gun?
Hey, this is a cool gun.
Oh, I know.
No?
That isn't cool with me, isn't it?
I've got it, right?
Oh, you gotta keep going. I think you missed.
He's coming back. Keep covering.
You didn't shoot him.
He ran back. Back left. Shit. I don't see his red rag. What is he doing?
Nice job.
Is he hit?
Yeah, he's out.
Way to pull your red rag out.